On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
What is going on, Otter gang? What a pump overnight. My God, Ethereum hitting $4,700. Solana, $200. Sweet. $4.05. Bitcoin, $120. Holy. Are we excited or what, man? Let's see some otters in the chat. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully we're all having a wonderful day. A good morning to every single one of you guys. And I think it's Jesse's birthday. So happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You look like a monkey. And you act like one too. All right. Happy birthday, Jesse. God bless, bro. Hopefully you're all healed up there. Let's go, baby. Gang in the chat. Much love to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for being here, hanging out. Good morning. Make sure you drop those good mornings. Smack up those likes. I got the energy today. Let's get into it, baby. Bitcoin. Rolling over. Okay, everybody bullish. What should we be doing? We should be contrarian. Rolling over this morning. We'll see. We're in our actual sell wall this morning, everybody. So let's be patient here. Let's be patient. Doesn't mean we have to not be euphorically bullish. Okay. We have hit our golden pocket retracement level right now. So into the liquidity zone right up in here. Okay. So liquidity zone. Golden pocket retracement level. Okay. We're in it to win it. Okay. We also have a nice order block up here with our 786. Okay. So 2 sell walls that I think we can get through. You just got to push it to the limits, okay? We got 120 people in here already. This is incredible. Everybody's super euphoric, man. I see you guys. Ooh, I like this. This is quite juicy. Let's see if maybe, no, 5 minute? Give me that 5 minute. Ooh, okay. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. I see you. I like to retest the previous highs here. I like this. This is pretty juicy. We can look here. Damn, this thing rugging people. This thing's rugging people. Look at this thing. 3 minute doji engulfing retest continuation, rolling over a little bit flaccid. It's not somewhere where I'm taking a long, guys. But holy smokes. What a pump for some altcoins. Sui. Sweet. Euphoric. I seem to remember we gave the long from down here. Shout out to the gang. I remember we gave the long from down here. I think we got in a little bit early, but we did have our stop loss not invalidated. Good job, gang. Hype. I do believe we gave the hype long from down here. Whew. My God, Discord's on fire. Link. I think Link was the best trade. Link was definitely the best trade, right, gang? Link. We gave Link from $16 right here. Oh, man. Oh, man. Right? The gang knew. The gang knew. The gang will tell you. The gang will tell you. Also, we got receipts anyway, so that's all good. Aerodrome. The gang was buying the gang was buying Aerodrome all the way down here, including myself. I dropped about 25,000 on Aero. I'm up over 15,000 right now. Incredible. Incredible. We also gave you this buy level here for a retest. I mean, I just got to laugh, man. Up 80% on that buy. Jeez. Jeez. My God. However, this isn't a place where we come and brag. This is really a place where we're traders trying to help traders, right? I mean, every now and then you got to celebrate your victories. My victory today, my phone alarm went off, and I got up at a decent time. So it's good to be here, everybody. Thank you guys so much for being here, smacking up those like buttons. Shout out to you guys looking for Bitcoin to roll over potentially here, come back and retest maybe previous highs. We got VWAP. We got a lot of bullish momentum. We'll see if it does want to continue here. But thank you, everybody, for being here, saying good morning. I do appreciate you guys. Jesse, good morning. Happy birthday, bro. The life. They still haven't fixed the name. Sniper's Nightmare. What's going on, my brother? Good to see you, bro. How's that H-bar? H-bar. They call it H-bar in the UK. They don't call it H-bar. They call it H-bar. How's that H-bar? I know you be trading that. Did you take the setup, bro? This was from yesterday? This must have been from yesterday. 25. This must be from yesterday. Come on, Sniper. You took it. Sniper's Nightmare. Let's see. Let's see. Alt ideas. Gotta go to H-bar. Okay. We were early. We were looking for the retracement. Okay. We were looking for the retracement. My bad. My bad. See, we can check the receipts. What's going on, Sniper? Good to see you, bro. Okay, Bitcoin rolling over here. Retesting these lows. A little euphoric pump in here. I guess we can go impulse low here to high. Golden pocket retest down here. So let's extend this a little bit lower. Interested? Any pivot points close? Oh, double pivot point. All right, previous day pivots in here as well. Yeah, definitely looking here, everybody. 120. 121. 120 to 120 200 to 120 100. This area generally looks juicy if we do get the retracement here. You know, everybody, buy. They're going to definitely sweep liquidity if they're going to send this thing higher. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smacking up like buttons, subscribing if you're new. We'll see if this wants to continue. A little bit of patience here. Let it rug. Let it rug. Let it rug. This is it. Ooh-wee. Anybody in the long? You guys let me know. What kind of trades are you guys in? Are you guys in like big altcoin trades? Let me know in the chat. I love to recognize your superpowers of press and buy in a big old push here. Price coming down here. This is pretty aggressive. I like it. Pretty overextended on our short-term time frames. We will do a top-down analysis. Obviously, we like to let the room fill up a little bit. The Discord already knows, so they're prepared. Nice SFP in here of the low. Pushback. Pushback. Trying to hold structure here. That's what it's trying to do. SFP here. Possible long opportunity coming up. They're going to front run us? What do you guys think? NASDAQ looking great. Higher highs, higher lows. Continue to climb wall of worry. Nice SFP in here. Is that sufficient enough to grab liquidity from below? Bullish candle close. Nice candle close here. Let's see if we get follow through to the downside here. I don't want to just rush into a long this morning. It's that would be not so level-headed. They're watching us, guys. We got to be prepared, okay? They're always watching. Let's see what we got here. Good morning, Slam Banjo. Good morning, Alexandra G. Good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Crypto Rob, good morning. Rashad, good morning. Shamitris, good to see you as well. Thank you for being here. Quick Smoker, Gear, Mab the Great. Good morning. Gang. Smash those likes, everybody. Says Gear. Jesse, good luck. Happy birthday. French Toaster, what's going on, bro? Shrian, hopefully you're having a wonderful day, bro. Thank you for being here. Igals, good morning. Congratulations on your win yesterday. Welcome to the Discord. Hopefully you are exploring the Discord and seeing everything that's there to offer. Hopefully you enjoy your free membership. Bull Runner, good morning, man. How you doing? Muckin, good afternoon. Good to see you. How you doing? Thank you for being here. Simeon Davies, good morning. Jason, good morning. Muckin, good morning. Birdie, good morning. Thank you for being here. Bratochka, what's going on? Good to see you. Make the coffee, make the TA, and enjoy. That's the one. What's going on, Pat? Good to see you here. Thank you for being here. Just Coverage, Jesse, good luck. John Foster, my man, what's going on? F-Bomb, good to see you as well. Mr. Hindenburg, the hot air, let's go, baby. Blair Force One, I like that. Blair Force One, that's pretty unique. Hopefully you're having a good day, Blair. The Pinkertons are here. Be careful. You must behave. That pink box, man. Server still messed up. Good morning, MSK, Async, BMK. Good morning. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Shark Fins, Ancients Wine. Investment, good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Joking Goat Giggles. Joking Goat Giggles. That's a good name, man. Joking Goat Giggles. Just rolls off the tongue, doesn't it? Guy Kempe, good morning to you. Good morning from Fort Lauderdale. Thank you for being here, man. Watch out for those crocodiles. I wish I had the golf that you did, but, you know, can't have everything. I got mountains, at least. BTC going to bearish, yeah. A lot of euphoria right now. So, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin dumps. I think he's saying it's a good time to short. Well, we've come into a liquidity zone, bearish divergence, right? Right? Climbing wall of worry, right? Bear div. Golden pocket liquidity zone. Probably an area to short, right? It's just the euphoric pump, right? It's just the sentiment right now is very bullish, right? So it's like don't get in the way of the train, right? You want to trade with trend as much as possible. So we look for pullbacks. However, this is a key area that we could have a retracement on much. Yeah, well, I mean, you can see in here, like it's very clear. Well, don't you doji engulf me in the morning, bro. Don't you doji engulf me in the morning. So I got signed out of my exchange right now. Now I got to sign back in. Don't steal my seed phrase, okay? Please don't steal my seed phrase. Looks like we're pushing here. Don't steal my seed phrase. Imagine you kept it on your computer. You'd be an idiot. You deserve to get it stolen. You deserve to get it stolen. Wouldn't you? I'd say so. You deserve to get it stolen. Okay, we're back. Sorry. Had to sign in the exchange here. Got a little scared there for a second. I was like, what the heck? Thought we were all good here. Looking for possible push here, but I'm looking lower. Okay, so we'll see if we do get it. Thank you everybody for being on the live here, hanging out this morning. Did you guys tell me what kind of trades you guys are in, or what? What's going on? Happy birthday, Jesse. Good morning to you guys. I can see your seed phrase in the glasses. Thank you. Stop looking at it. All right. Considering a long here. If this closes bullishly, we've got 15 seconds here. Considering a long. We could get an SFP of the high in here. Ooh, this looks juicy. Stop loss would go below the low. Oh, man, not the greatest close. Okay, just a lower high here. Not the greatest close. They'll make us wait, won't they? It's engulfing, but I don't like when it has a topping tail at the high. Like, if it pushes up with the candle patterns here, like, yes, this is an engulfing candle. Okay, great. But when it pushes up and then all of a sudden it pushes right back in at the end, I don't necessarily like that, especially when it's like you can see the selling pressure a bit in here. So you can see that. Look at this engulfing, right? This one here, three black crows. Okay, 3 black crows. Doji engulfing. Not necessarily at the cleanest level either, but if this, then that. Now, if this pushes up, we could be in business here. Could be in business, looking for continuation. At least an SFP of the high, right? At least an SFP of the high. But we'll see. We'll wait and see. No trade yet. Still waiting. $214 people in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 68 likes. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smacking like button, subscribing if you're new. Make sure you say good morning. Andre Saints, Paper Planes, good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Aliza, Adrian, good morning. Don't know. Crypto. Ando Pancho, good morning to you. Wayne C., hopefully you got a wonderful sandwich from your wife this morning. Wayne C., what kind of sandwich have you been getting lately? Are they just like, tuna and mayo, or are you actually getting some meat with those sandwiches and, some nice lettuce and all that stuff? Oh, I need to know. Wayne C., we need a sandwich update. What's going on, Gus? Good morning to you. Paper Planes, Andre Saints, nonstop. Good to see you, bro. Ancient Swine, thank you for being here. I'm in that Sui Long, big runner open. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I do like this candle close. Ooh, let's go. 30 seconds on this candle. Might buy it. Considering a long. I like this little trigger on the 3-minute. 12. 24. 24 looks... How's our hourly? Our hourly... Jeez. Up only. Resetting VWAP. Ooh, 2 hour, got room, yeah. 3 hour, got room, yeah. There's room here to push if we want to. A little bit concerning on the 30 and the 24, but might have to come a little bit lower. If we can push up in here for our 12-minute. Still got 2.5 minutes left on this candle. How's the NAS doing? Yeah, consolidation chop. Bitcoin climbing. considering a long. I don't like when I have to talk myself into it. I like here. Here's juicy. Like lower part of this green, like down here, this is where I would prefer to take a long. Good confluence in here. But a lot of the time, guys, up only is not an easy thing to trade. Now, we do have videos in our Discord on how to trade up only. And there's some strategies around that. The key is the strategy around that. How to practice good risk management within an up only situation. Because damn, it's hard to get on the trend, right? I missed it, right? Well, there's ways to get into it without missing it. Look at this push. Biddy doing me. Biddy's going to do me in. Still considering a long here. One minute left on this candle. Jeez, I don't know. What do you guys think? Are you guys long or are you guys short? If you're short, I won't long it. Some of you guys are trading that. Sui, good morning. Depend Print Prakoshi, good morning. Svesto, good morning from Berlin. Danke for being here. Crypto Pav, good morning. Do you put these in Discord? Absolutely. Absolutely. All those setups are in Discord. All the altcoin ideas. I mean, I update the altcoin ideas like multiple times a week. I mean, we can go through it if you want. H-bar. This was just yesterday. Fartcoin, Snack, Jasmy, Pangu, Arrow, Sui, AVAX, Sui, Hype, Injective. Okay, then before that, we looked at this. Look at all these setups. This was Sunday night, and all of these on Sunday night have absolutely gone to Valhalla. Okay? All you do is set your alerts, and you use our strategy. Okay, we have a strategy built around that. And hopefully you learn how to print dollars. I mean, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not here to sell you anything. The gang is the best. We have, and that's just me, man. We have 5 traders. And that's just me. So. I came back from vacation and I said, let's make some mother effing money. That's what I said. Get your my mouse name out of your mother effing mouth. That's what I said when I got back. Lukewarm London. Okay, it's not all in London. What's up, Jung? Good to see you. Good morning, Jay Violet. Good to see you, Jay Violet. Adrian, good morning. User, good morning. Thank you for being here. Quick Smoker. See, I don't like this anymore. Curtis Neal, my man. AlexOCrypto. Chris, how you doing? Can't sleep in Aussie. The Pinkertons. Sniper's Nightmare. Paul, we got a leveraged Ethereum trade going on there. Dave Digital. You're long from 119. Good job, Dave. Good to see you, Rob Ellis. Crypto Rob as well. Long on Pengu, CeeLo, Jato, Wild, all from Discord. Let's go. Let's go. Nonstop getting paid. That's the one. Haas, let's go, baby. Let's go nonstop. Good job, bro. Wait and see. Jesse. Open a fart boy. I've heard of fart coin. Fart boy is that like a quiet fart, like a little, there's fart coin, like the Trump, right? And then there's a, right? One of those. Is that fart boy? Got it. I don't care what it's called. As long as you can make money, go right ahead, man. Real, good morning. Good to see you, Brokoshi. Vinga Vinga. Good morning to you. Good to see you. My name is changed to my Discord name. Luke Zaldana. Let's go, baby. I knew it from your picture, bro. I think YouTube's like updating some weird things right now. Even the like interface on the like live stream thing here. This has changed a bit. Like obviously I've popped out chat. Look at this, 265 people here, 88 likes. Rookie numbers, man. I think we could do a little bit better. So I think they're updating some things, man. That's why everybody's full name is here. So be careful. Don't expose yourself. Indeed, Germo, good morning to you. Magnum DeFi, good to see you. Dylan, thank you for being here. I'm here from the CF post. I'm rooting for Bulls for the first part of the day. Awesome. Welcome, man. Yeah, CF's a G, man. Up, what, $400,000 on that ETH trade? Sponsoring this channel from basically the get-go, man. God bless CF, man. My love to that guy. Putting me on. Nothing but respect. Good morning, Gain. Rob, good morning. Thank you for being here. Bitcoin's struggling right now, trying to push. No push happening. Solana, man. Solana just doesn't care. It's up only. We're looking for a pullback on Solana here. We have like a little double top going on, so a little bit of caution here on Solana. 195 would be the level on Solana. Ethereum, we're looking at 4,632. If it does want to give it. It doesn't look like it wants to give it, guys. This thing looks like it's all-time highs today. Like, as crazy it is, as it sounds, this looks all-time highs right now. Look at this thing. It's And guess what? We did give the long on Ethereum down here. Just saying. I'm just saying. I can't help it. I can't help it. I can find it if you guys want. Like I said, Ethereum's pushing here. Wow. Wow. Maybe we're trading the wrong asset. Maybe we should scalp Ethereum. I hate Ethereum's levels, though. Ethereum's a very front-running token, okay? You pull a fib, instead of hitting like your golden pocket, it'll just front-run it. It's really annoying. Alt season 1, probably October, man. Remember, altcoins are down 70 to 90%, right? So this would be trying to get back into like, you know, base case kind of deal, right? If we're talking like blue chip alts, it's a different story, right? Just like if we're looking here, H bar blue chip, right? So if we're looking here and we go on a weekly and we look at something like, okay, let's look at Sui. Sui's basically back up, right? Sui's back up in here. Great, right? But you look at something like, I don't know, let's look at Render or Celestia, right? Let's look at Render. This is Donald Trump pump, right? This is the Trump pump. We are still here, right? So for us, base case, we want to see alts get back into here and hold, okay? That would be ideal, going into maybe a September dump. That would be ideal. So we would like to see alts flip and go. Look at FET here. FET, same thing, needs to get up in here at about $1. It's still quite, beaten up, right? We haven't seen that rotation, really. It's just been ETH and those and the blue chips. Link's back up there. Sui's back up there, right? Cardano, AVAX. Even AVAX got some room to go. It's still got to get up into about $27, right? So just look around, man. Use your eyes. It's very simple, right? You can see that we obviously got rugged. We want to see a reclaim of that support range that it traded from before, and then we want to attack all-time highs. That's the goal, right? Look at ADA, okay? ADA on a weekly. See, Donald Trump, right? Big old pump, right? Trying to get up into that area for blue chips. And then we'll see the rotation maybe into altcoins. Maybe not until like September, October. So late September, October, I mean. Even Arbitrum. Look at Arbitrum, right? Still needs to get up into that area. So don't think, this is... I don't know. I don't want to get your hopes up too much, man. And the Discord, we've talked about it too. Where like the ideal situation, the non-ideal but probable situation is that we do one more rug here, right? Is that we do come down and we rug all this liquidity. Sorry to say it, but the non-ideal situation is that, and everybody cries, right? Everybody cries. Damn, this guy's a bear. I'd rather be aware of that than the technicals say that, we're overextended generally. Does that mean we can, continue to stay up only? Absolutely. It's crypto, baby. That's why we're here. Right? But it's like, let's remain level-headed as much as possible. Really battling here, trying to hold on. Really battling here. What's going on, Haas? When should meme season start? I don't have the meme season clock, my friend. Okay, I like this push now. This is nice. Got some volume in this candle for sure. Picking up here. Considering along here. Volume's coming in. Oh, a little battle going on here. I like that. $12-hour candle close is good. Could get a little wick down and then push back here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live here. 271 people, man. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. Beautiful day in the crypto world. Bitcoin trying to go. I do prefer 120. Still waiting. If this candle can push back up into that little range there, back up into here, I might get long. Just letting you guys know. It's aggressive, but it can push back. We still got a minute and a half left on this candle. East pumping, great. Good morning, Alpha. Petrolhead. HRJ, my man. Yeah, total 3 is closer to all-time low. HRJ has been giving some beautiful signals as well in the Discord. It's not just me, man. I know I've been on fire, but HRJ, man. Look at this. Boop. Solana. ETH. CeeLo. Look at this. All targets hit. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, candle push here. Considering a long. Sorry. I might hammer along today, guys. I might go like full port. Just for fun. 30 seconds on this candle. Good volume in the last two, 3 candles here. This is good. You see? You see the difference? Thank you for being here. What's going on, Army Piper? Good to see you in the chat, bro. Good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Lunar Beaches Crypto, thank you for being here as well, bro. How you doing? Chantel, good morning. Thank you for being here. Django, just cover it. Okay, bad candle close. See, that's why you wait for the candle to close here. No participation here. Right? Looked good, looked good. Nah, right? Confirmation is king. Always. Took good wins on CRV from Discord. Let's go. Just cover it. CRV actually, I don't remember CRV, but I think we gave a good setup here. Let's see CRV. What do we? Oh my God, CRV. Let's go. CRV baby. 16% move in the Discord. Insane. Love seeing you guys win, man. You guys asked for the altcoins, so I gave you guys the altcoins. 291 people in here, 128 likes. Thank you for being here. Seen a Bitcoin can push here. Ethereum's trying to push double top. Concerning bearish divergence on ETH right now. It's gotta have some follow through here. Coming into a resistance volume level. Higher high made here, so this is bear divs, so cautious. Caution, please. Could have a little retracement here. Nice bullish momentum here on ETH. Bitcoin trying to push back. I like this candle too. Doesn't mean I'm going to buy it. We got a minute on this one now. Jeez. But if we look here, right? We look here. We get the bearish retracement here. Look, if we buy a strong candle, doji engulfing right here, right? We're in the money, right? Right here, retrace, VWAP slap, continuation. You're in the money. Just saying. We got a camel toe pattern on the 3 minute. Haven't seen one of these in a while. Normally it's a 5 minute camel toe pattern is what we trade. This one here. This is the alpha right here. This is a 5 minute camel toe. Let's see how it played. If you got long on the 5 minute camel toe, yeah, you made money. Anyways. The 3 minute moose knuckle. That's what we'll call this one. Okay? 3 minute moose knuckle printing. Good candle here. Damn, we're raunchy in this place, man. I don't know how people watch me. We're just here trading moose knuckles and stuff. I like that candle. I might buy this. How's he doing? Okay. It's failing to break down, right? It could run. I just want to see like an SFP in here. I don't like that for topping structure, really. Like it's a bear div, but it's pretty ugly. Be pretty. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. I wonder who's long right now. Is anybody long right now? I'm long right now. Good morning, Chantel. Good morning, Dusty. Good morning, HRJ. Thank you for being here. I'm long right now. The Discord should know. The Discord should have bought that candle. I'm long right now. I full ported this thing, man. I've already hit TP1. Stop loss to entry. I full ported, sorry. TP1 already hit. 24 realized, looking for continuation out. Not something I'm generally going to give. That's not really a quala A setup. This is like a B setup, right? So with a B setup, right, you got to have 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. I always like to categorize things 1, 2, and 3, okay? So 1, 2, 3. A plus, A, and B, okay? 1, 2, 3. This is a 3 setup, meaning I'm going to buy this candle, and I'm going to take profits aggressively right at these highs. Immediate stop loss to entry. Like immediately. It's so I can participate if we run here. Okay? It's the only thing. A plus is down here. Okay, that's the confluence. Okay? However, as a scalper, doesn't necessarily mean I have to. I mean, stop loss is so cheap here, right? $100 stop loss, right? It's not even a full, right? Typically, my full stop loss is 0.3, right? You see this? 0.3? Okay, that's why I risk the same amount per trade. Right? And I might get stopped out here, but I made money. Okay? But it's a way to participate in case it runs. And that's the thing. Like, you can do this as long as you are diligent with take profits if you're quick enough, right? You have to be fast. You have to be able to like right-click, copy price, paste that, take 50% out here, look for continuation out, right? So it's not for the namby-pambies, okay? As a scalper, you're trying to get base hits, and if it goes, it goes, baby, right? This trade here could turn into a massive trade, okay? Or it could be a negative $50 trade. It can be a positive $30 trade. That's fine. I will take break even, break even, break even, break even, win, break even, loss, win, win, and I will be up for the day for $500. I did this yesterday, up $700 yesterday. A great trading day for me. Okay? It's just managing risk, right? That's it. Your number one job is to keep your money. Capital containment? I don't know. We gotta come up for some word. I'm probably gonna get stopped out right here. Right? That's fine. Coming down right now. But I've participated safely, right? There we go. Stopped out. Now it's probably going to run. And that's fine. Stopped out, $20 loss. Whoop-de-doo. Whoop-de-doo. Okay? There it is. Stopped out, $20 loss. Always showing you guys my trades. Ain't nothing to hide here, guys. Traders helping traders. It might go now. That's cool. Right? This might be the retest continuation trade here. Not for me. Okay? I like the volume on the last two candles. We were looking for push through. We didn't get it. Now we wait again. Okay? Hopefully I could teach you guys something. I mean, we did turn this count from 25 to 50 grand in 3 weeks, right? See? Very good risk management. Done. But we gave ourselves an opportunity for the price to go in the direction that we wanted, right? Should I have been looking for a short here? And there's no real setup here, right? We're looking for follow-through continuation of trend here. And we know we're in a resistance area. This, to me, is not a break of structure, okay? This is not a break of structure. This is an SFP, meaning buyers stepped up here to stop them from breaking structure. Suggesting price can continue upwards. Okay? This is an SFP. There's no candle close below this low in here. Therefore, looks like we can continue here. So understanding structure, volume, price action, right? Liquidity, what we're looking for, how we're looking to participate. putting all these things together is kind of what I teach. And then managing risks like an absolute machine, right? Remember what happens a lot of the time when we go into rate cuts after sustained higher rate pauses? Yeah, we dump, don't we, Mr. Piper? 100% chance of rate cuts? Is that what the flashbang says? Shit, son. Flashbang. All right. That is. What the heck is this, man? There is no second best. What about 0.5? What about a big old cut there? We don't want them to panic cut though. That's the thing. We do not want them to cut like 0.75 basis points. Panic cutting, and that could happen if we get like really poor jobs, right? Right, Piper? If we get bad jobs, if people aren't employed and they have to panic cut, that could dump the market because that could set in a whole different sentiment, right? A whole different sentiment. So you gotta be watching the Piper Academy after my show. He'll break that stuff down for you. He's the fundamental master. I just press buy and sell successfully on a daily. Every day is a great great trading day for Alex because he's a boss. Nah, man. I'm just a trader amongst traders, bro. If I was a boss, I'd be shilling everything and telling you to join the Telegram group with my 25 traders who are shilling, I don't know, JPEGs and shit like that. I've sworn twice this morning. I have a 2 swear rule. Gimme. But I've sworn twice this morning. Oh, man, I'm on the edge. What's going on, Mr. Buchanan? Mr. Buck, what's going on? Don't feed the bear. Nice sweep here. Good to see you. Made it to work. Good morning. Good job. Safe and sound at work there, Curtis Hill. All right, now this is looking a little bit different, right? Rolling over here. East, double top, bearish divergence, concerning. Solana doesn't care. Solana's time has come. Looking for a retrace in Solana back to 199.6. 3 drives, bull divs here. We got the triple moose knuckle here. Triple moose knuckle, overextended VWAP. This looks like it could potentially pump. No trade yet. 8:49. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 330 people here on the live. Thank you for being here, subscribing, smashing like buttons. If you are new here, welcome. AlexOCrypto Show. We're here 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Trading Bitcoin live, hanging out with you guys. Looking at your altcoins every now and then. Mostly just trading. This is what I do for a living. Been full-time trading for 2 years now. Pretty wild. Used to be a carpenter. Good fun. Now I just sit in a chair and press buy and sell. So happy to be here hanging out with you guys. I like this candle again. Oh, man. I'm going to fake trade this one just to satisfy my itch. Okay. He likes this candle again. He pressed buy. I do this just to like see if I was correct, but let's do some top-down analysis. So what are we looking at, guys? So Bitcoin's climbing in a wall of worry, right? So this is a good sign. Same with the SPY, same with a whole bunch of stuff. However, we have not come back for any liquidity in this move here. So this is typically concerning. We would look for a retest of previous highs. We would look for a golden pocket retracement. Okay. Look for beautiful order blocks to be retested alongside volume levels. This low I did not like. I would have liked to see lower and then gone, grabbing this liquidity over here. We never did. Okay? So we've left a lot on the table down here for us to return to. When we look at our day today, what we can see is the daily has bounced off the 0 line on the it's starting to creep down. So it hasn't fully bounced off the zero line, but it's starting to creep down. We still have lots of room to grow, growers and showers at the same time. Okay, the 12-hour has switched to a green dot here. So we said there was plenty of room yesterday on the 12-hour for it to ramp up and then come down. Okay, so we have that green dot here confirmed this morning with a VWAP crossover. Very nice play for our beautiful 12-hour, front running this beautiful move. The 8-hour candle right now prints in 3 hours. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the bullish engulfing here. Very gorgeous candle on the 8-hour. With the green dot printing, money flow green, VWAP crossing over. Looks good. Now, the 4, the 3, and the 2, the 1, something we prioritize for the day to kind of forecast what we're looking for so that we can, find that sentiment. Sorry, we're coming into a buy zone right now. Good no trade there. Bitcoin rolling over, hitting our first pivot here. Retest to previous highs. Sweeping the lows. Market structure change now on Bitcoin. Lower. Remember, golden pocket locally is here. Lower part of this region here. Breaking down right now. Stalling out. Don't like that. Stall out typically is trapping longs. Good volume in this last push down. Grabbing some liquidity out of the lows. There's that snap. Nice snap wick. No trade here, guys. Very good candle close here. Considering a long in this area, no trade yet. Need to see a reaction. No reaction yet. Looks like it's continuing down. Still stalling out here. Nasty candle. NASDAQ continues to make higher highs and higher lows. Bitcoin retracement here. ETH liquidity grab, bearish divergence like we said. Solana coming back down as well. No trade yet. Could come down for a lower pivot here. Still waiting. Like to see a pushback here. Nice push. It's got to go here. It's got to go here. Push Bitcoin. I'm in. Stop loss to entry. Come on, Bitcoin. Push, baby. Let's go. TP1 hit. Wick test. Front running wick test. Let's push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Don't be an namby-pamby. Come on. There's that wick test. Yeah, it's coming right back down. Might need to chop around a bit down here. We'll see. I'm going to take another take profit there just to guarantee making some money on this trade. Come on, Bitcoin, push. Push, baby. ETH popping? No, ETH dropping. ETH dropping. All right, we might be in for a little bit of a rug here. Make sure you guys are paying yourself, managing your risk, please. It's very important in this situation here. Stopped out. Stopped out, $30 win. On to the next one, guys. Watch it go here. Watch it go here. What's the bet? Oh, man. That's okay. Rolling over quite aggressively here. Wick test. That would be your short here. Your little wick test. We do teach the wick test in their Discord as well. They're not making it easy for us this morning, guys. Interesting. Interesting. We got blueberries, strawberries, mangoes, and bananas, and everybody chose mangoes. Utter gang, gang, gang. Are we all long here? I'm not getting long here again. No, I'm waiting. Still got VWAP quite low. Little rug in the morning coming into to 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm on Mountain Time now, so coming into 7 a.m. Mountain Time. That's right. I'm up. I'm up at 4:30. Everybody, because I love doing this, man. I love doing this. I'd rather start my day early, go to bed at 9 o'clock because I'm an old man. What's up, everybody? Thank you guys for being here. 365 people here, 175 likes. Thank you guys for smacking up like buttons, subscribing if you're new. Much love to every single one of you guys. And gals. I know there are some gals here, like 3% of you are gals. Most of you are degen men on your wanking chariots sitting here. ETH long or short? ETH's trying to hold on for dear life right now. So is Bitcoin in a key buy level right now. I'd like to see Bitcoin push here, but nice deep anchor wave. 12 hours still got room to the downside. Or 12 minutes, sorry. 12 hour, what am I saying? Smoke another one. Okay, VWAP resetting on the 24 here. This is looking okay. Guess we're considering a long again. Pretty cheap trade if we do it. Do. I just said do. Problem is they're trapping longs right now, in my opinion. So it's like you're trying to what you want to see when they're trapping longs, right? They trap longs, then you get the SFP and then the continuation, right? Typically you want to get in here. You're not necessarily catching this. Okay? It's not an easy one. Lower. Lower. I think lower. I'm going to get some more coffee, everybody. A little reset here.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame for a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
I missed the long. All right, pushback here. No trade here. All right. What's going on, everybody? So as we were saying with the top-down analysis, let's take a look here. So the 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1 have given us a little bit of an opportunity for a little window opening here. As we can see, money flow is ramping up here. Stochastics, view up. Everything's open, right? So this is looking quite strong on Market Cipher. Same with the 3, same with the 2. Okay, a little bit of negative posturing here on the view up, so be aware of that. And then the 1 hour here is a little toppy, okay? Double top in here. Okay, so aware we are rejecting from our key area here. So nice little rejection down. Looking for follow through back up here. Okay. Ethereum looking to bounce potentially. No trade yet. Okay, we got a little mini Jesus take the wheel here on the 3 minute. Got our Jesus take the wheel here, right? So you're looking for the trigger wave down. Nice pushback here for Bitcoin. Let me know in the chat. Are you guys long? Are you guys short? What are you guys into right now? Thank you for being here, hanging out. Much love to every single one of you guys here. Look at this thing pump, baby. Yeah, we missed a long. Retest to previous lows right now. Short, long, okay. Long. I missed the long just now. That's okay. Waiting. I like that. Waiting is good. Hands is good, man. Got out of the ice bath. Let's go. I never done the ice bath. However, I do live in the mountains. Every pond and every lake is an ice bath here. So maybe I go and take a dip one day. Happy birthday, Jesse. Good morning, Rick. Good morning, Rashad. Rick's wife's in the chat. What's going on, wifey? Good to see you as well. Bitcoin pushing back here. Nice pushback for Bitcoin coming into our buy level. Missing the long trade. Damn. Damn, Daniel. Okay. Nice push here. No trade. Still making lower lows. Okay. Lower highs. Reversal at our sell wall. Trying to get pushed back here at our buy wall. Okay. 30 minutes concerning. That's the one that's, could definitely dip down all the way here. We could look for this retracement. Oh, missed there. Down into our 618 level here. Okay. There's a nice order block down in here too at 119.5. They're still trying to entice buyers, right? Ethereum, Solana. Solana looks really good. Okay, Sui looks really good. Link looks really good. Okay, so Injective, absolutely melting faces. Jeez. Okay. Nice push for Bitcoin here. Coming into market open. We got 20 minutes, everybody. Thank you for being here. Today is hump day. Tomorrow we do have some data coming out. PPI data, PP in your eye, our favorite data. Okay, and then we have retail sales and Michigan consumer sentiment on Friday. So be aware there's some news things coming up in the next 2 days. Besides that, today is pretty free willy. Okay. Yes, I said free willy. Nice push here for Bitcoin. Trying to come up into market open. Maybe get those last buyers enticed before sending price down. Who knows? The NASDAQ looks healthy. Continuation. Possibly retest to previous highs in here. Damn, this is very aggressive. Very aggressive. Bitcoin ripping. Pushback here. Coming into our downtrending momentum. Ethereum pushing back as well. Retest the previous lows on Bitcoin right now. So breakdown, retest, continuation down. Possibility right now, no trade. Bring this a little bit higher now. Bitcoin 3 white soldiers. Minute and a half till candle prints. Coming into market open. Thank you everybody for being here. Smacking up like buttons. I know a bunch of you guys got long in our buy zone here. Good job. I probably shouldn't have went and got coffee, but I did. So, lesson learned. Don't get coffee. But I love coffee. I need coffee. Coffee is my friend. How do you not trade with coffee? What's going on, Martin? Good to see you. Django. Man, you guys are all printing now. I'm jealous. Jealous of all your wins. That's some expensive coffee. No kidding, man. Look at this expensive coffee. Probably a $400 or $500 coffee right now. Damn. Damn, Daniel. I didn't miss so long. You missed. You guys rubbing it in now. Okay. Rubbing it in. Rub it in. Get your licks in. And I'm not a billionaire. Get your licks in. Get your licks in. Maybe we take the morning off. They're trolling. They're trolling early in the morning. We don't even have 200 likes in here, and I gave you that long. I think that long setup is worth 200 likes at least. Have the wife bring you coffee from now on. She's actually sleeping with my boy, so she had a rough night last night with him. He was up all night. He's teething. He's getting used to our new place, so time zone change. Everything's kind of off for him, so it's been an adjustment for him getting used to where we are now in our new home, which is fine, but it's not easy for her. Bang, bang, bang. But you're saying it's going lower. Yeah, we could have SFP down into here. That was the concern, right? Bullish engulfing candle here would have given you the long. You would have got long right here on this candle. That's where the coffee was, man. Right here. You would have got long, doji, engulfing, long, up we go, right? Easy money. That's easy money, man. What's that, 0.3% move? Yeah, that's 0.2. That's still that's $150 right now. That's fine. Still not out of this downtrend, okay? Perfect retest of that high. Look at that. Up only trade. Big push for ETH. Big push for Injective. Solana getting rejected? Okay, interesting. Looking for Solana to come down to 199.6. Right here. Bitcoin flagging out. 30-minute playing out. Red dot confirmed. Sell wall confirmed. Buy wall confirmed. So good, doing really good with the levels. So happy days there, right? I always like to see the key levels being respected. I always update these levels for the Discord members every day, sometimes 3 times a day, depending on price action. It's nice to see them working. They're magic. Magical. NASDAQ putting in new highs again. Is this all-time highs? Are we all-time highs here? Yeah, we all-time highs, baby. We all-time highs. That's wild. NASDAQ, all-time highs. Price discovery. I think Bitcoin's next. What do you guys think? Bitcoin's next, all-time highs? Come on, Betty, push. A little bit more. Coming into market open. We got 15 minutes, everybody. Bitcoin. Retracement, continuation here. AlexOCrypto missed it because of his damn coffee. I'm going to have FOMO now. FOMO Nomo. I better go watch my FOMO Nomo video. One more dip first. Good morning, Gordon. Good to see you. Where did you move to, Alex? I moved to the mountains, bro. No mo FOMO. Bring the coffee machine closer. I actually was talking to my wife, and I think I was telling her, my desk is here, right? I was like, if we get a little setup here, and I get a little mini fridge, right? And I get my coffee machine there, right? Right beside the desk, right beside my brand new wanking chariot that I got now, right? She was like, you're ridiculous. I'm like, come on, girl. This is the battle station, man. We trying to convince her. Not working, guys. Not working. I started to Google like mini fridges and stuff like that for my creamer. It's not working, guys. My wife is reasonable. Me, I'm a bit, I don't know. Okay, so we're waiting here. We're not chasing price. Could go breakout retest. Okay. We can go standard deviation 1 retest in here. We can look for bull dibs in here. Okay. Breakout retest. We can watch for the SFP though. Very, very clear warning sign here. Okay. Watch for that SFP. That is the danger zone if you are long right now. Make sure you guys are paying yourselves. You are retesting, these lows in here. Trying to go. Still waiting here. Climbing the wall worry. Solana's back up, pushing again. Bitcoin looks like it wants to pop. AlexOCrypto. Can't believe that's what CryptoFace calls me. AlexOCrypto. What a guy. Crypto. You guys enjoying those shorts? I put some effort into making those shorts for you guys. Hopefully you guys are learning some quick bangers on those shorts. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 380 people in here. God bless you guys. Reggie, what's going on, bro? Paper planes? Show her your missed opportunity. You could have bought a new coffee machine with the missed profits. Yeah, I know. Yeah. It's the office. No difference from a beer fridge in the garage. Exactly, right? Exactly. A bit extra? Yeah, exactly. Buck, are you going to come to where I am and we're going to set up some miners, bro? Or what? What are we doing here? You got to give me a call, bro. We got to get the business expansion into Canada, bro. Give me a shout. You owe me a phone call, Buckaroo. I'm getting fridge and a cigar box for my desk. Of course you are. So you can keep your fish in it. You probably get a tackle box too. Yes, we are. Yeah, give me a shout, bro. We got to figure this out, man. I said earlier, we're market open. We're going to pump into the liquid cluster. That sounds so cool, bro. Guys, what's a liquid cluster? Liquid. Using cluster analysis to optimal trading strategy. Liquid clustering is a new distribution algorithm for delta tables that has a greater flexibility in coverage, not being necessarily a partition to the data or being able to provide a solution to scenarios where the query patterns are not previously known and or may change over time. Ooh. Liquid cluster jello. Yeah, that's a liquid cluster, man. Liquid luster. That's dirty. Love it. I think it's like a blood clot, yeah. That would be coagulation. That's the biggest word I can't spell that. Breakout retest here. 9 minutes till market open, everybody. I only know cluster. Liquid clusters in the beer fridge. So guys, this is for real, man. Trading characteristics of clusters. Look at this, okay? Cluster analysis allows us to group orders according to their similar trading characteristics, okay? Cluster performance. It doesn't really give you like how to use it. Key points, cluster analysis. Okay, so we're grouping things. I don't know. I'm a groupie. That's wild. You guys clustering, bro? Do you even cluster? I bet you I could sell that. Like my new liquid cluster course. It would just be like a link to Buck's OnlyFans. The liquid cluster analysis here. Right, Buck? No trade here, guys. I mean, I want to be long, but I'm not. Frustrating a bit. I'd like to be long here, not long. Nice push for Bitcoin. Mini wick test, continuation. The reason why I'm not taking the long two right now, guys, is there's only 6 minutes left till market open. And for me, you're putting yourself at the risk of like a little sweep down below. When you've climbed a wall of worry or you've just pushed up into market open, you could typically expect this and then that move to finish. Okay, so for me, getting long up in here doesn't really make sense. So I'll leave it alone and I'll wait. Okay. Triple drive, SFP, three drives here on Ethereum. This is a big warning sign. This is something I would typically short all day. Obviously, we have very bullish momentum here, but this is a clear warning sign. Not saying it's going to drop. Solana, SFP of the high as well. Interesting. But there's tons of FOMO right now. Institutional FOMO, all the FOMO is here. So we'll see what we get coming into market open. Biddy looking strong, pushing up here. Nice retest to previous highs, continuation trade. Congratulations on those who did get long off the call this morning, and I was too busy making coffee. Make sure you guys are all subscribing to Buck's liquid clusters. I'm so done, man. I'm so done. Good morning, Jason. Good morning, Freedom. Good morning. Just say good morning, guys. Let's get off with the Gordon's liquid clusters, man. Commissioner Gordon here, dressing up like Batman. Thank you for being here, Gordon. Good fun, man. Got to be able to have a laugh, man. Good morning, everybody. Alnak, good morning. Thank you for being here. All the lurkers in the background, good morning. Hopefully you're all doing well. Thank you for being here as well. Nice push here for Bitcoin. Making a new high, trying to close above this high here. Nice strong move. Continuation here for Bitcoin. Pushing, baby. Damn, that long is expensive right now. That's an expensive long to miss. SFP coming up. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Damn, you guys are all making lots of money off that. I'm absolutely jealous. I'm not going to lie. SFP of the high right now. I'm going to short it on you guys. SFP of the high. Concerning coming into market open. 3 minutes to market open, everybody. SPY continues to climb as well. NASDAQ continuing to climb as well. Bitcoin pushing, sweep of the highs. Nice push for Biddy here. Thank you guys for liking the video. If you are new here, consider joining the Discord. Discord's been on fire. Multiple trade setups. Absolutely hammering this altcoin market so far in the Discord. Thank you for subscribing as well. Got a bunch of subscribers. We were struggling to get up to 15,000, and then we hit 15,000, and all of a sudden we're at like 15,200. So thank you for subscribing, everybody. I do appreciate it. Here live every day. Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Kicking ass, taking names, taking trades, doing it live, showing you everything. Hopefully we can help you navigate these charts on a daily basis, giving you guys the levels, giving you guys the ideas, the thoughts, the setups. Navigating the charts isn't easy, so it's nice doing it with you guys. Just a missed opportunity, guys. Kind of pissed off. Not pissed off. Like I don't really get pissed off. It's just like it's kind of a stupid coffee. Stupid coffee. Where's the next looking cluster for Bitcoin? I'm new here. Do you enter or still? I'm just waiting. I would have entered on this bullish engulfing candle here. Obviously, I was getting coffee there. So I think Crypto Face's post on X gave you that subscription push. Yeah, it was awfully kind of him, man. God bless him. Coffee was expensive. Yes, Reggie. Bring the volume. Here comes market open, everybody. 1 minute. SFP of the high right now. Okay. This is something you typically short, but obviously with this this push right now, it's not something you're typically looking to fade this ripper to the upside. Okay. I'm going to try to get another 2x today on my account. I mean, you do you, man. SFP is printed. Lespaza, yeah, I did take a trade. I took one trade break even this morning off of this SFP in here. Break even trade. I wanted to get long in here. I went for a coffee and missed the trade. I would suggest this is good patience here. At least we haven't FOMO'd in. You can reward yourself for being patient, for managing risk, right? It's not always about winning. Trading, there's wins in taking a good loss, right? Especially if you have like an invalidation, like we did this morning, right? So we took the stop with a very break-even trade, right? We participated safely. But if we hadn't taken that stop, we would have been absolutely taking a $300 loss minimum, right? Instead, we took a little $20 loss, which was nothing, right? For me, anyway. So that'd be like whatever, a $2 loss for you or a $3 loss for you, right? By doing that, you give yourself an opportunity for your account, okay, to look like this, okay? Small wins, small losses, right? And then you have a big win and small losses. You never have one of these. Your P&L chart should never have a spike down unless you go on a losing streak, which should be gradual, okay? But your high probability trade setups come into play with this, right? You can't count on when you're going to have your losses. Okay, you could have 5 in a row, but that's great. If you get 5 losses in a row, you have a bad week, you know the next week or the following week is going to be phenomenal. Market is open, everybody. Ding, 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 ding. Gap up for the S&P. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smacking up like buttons. S&P gapping up, continuing to push here. NASDAQ continuing to push, big sweep down below. See if it wants to continue. Bitcoin ripping to the upside. Looking for a continuation trade here. SFP into the low here. SFP of the high. No trade yet. Still waiting. I would like a pullback here for Bitcoin, but it doesn't look like we're going to get it. Okay, still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for subscribing, hanging out. 400 people on the live stream. God bless every single one of you guys. Thank you for smacking up like buttons, subscribing if you're new, joining the Discord, all the Discord members. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for supporting the channel and supporting me and the rest of the gang. Bitcoin looking to rip here. ETH ripping. Sol ripping. Everything ripping. Ribbon. Okay? Giving the long from down here this morning. Everybody making lots of money, hopefully. Expensive coffee. That's it, baby. SFP in play here for the potential rejection. No buying the top, everybody. We don't buy green candles up at the top here. 12-minute looking juicy. Continuation trigger wave here. Also a bearish divergence, right? So bearish divergence. Concerning up at the high. Sell wall, golden pocket here. Rejection zone. So be cautious here. No trade. Still waiting. Looks like price is coming down right now. Ethereum retest continuation. Solana retest continuation. Can we get fired up here? Looking for a retest back down into here. This could be our high here. Looking for a 382 continuation trade possibility. We already got the 382 tap. So we would be looking generally in here for a potential bounce. Golden pocket 786. Order block continuation trade. If we get it in here, we'll see. Thank you, everybody, for smacking up those like buttons and hanging out here. I do appreciate it. If you are new here, welcome. We're live 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time every morning. Taking live trades, showing you everything, having good fun, man. Talking a lot of smack, pressing buttons. Good fun. Good fun. Gonna have some of that coffee, bro. Absolutely, man. We got a Verona Dark Roast Starbucks right here. Oh yeah, it's good. So let's see if we do get this little pullback right now. No longs right now. We just want to wait. Okay, trading is waiting. A lot of the time we gotta wait. Look at the Nasdaq absolutely ripping. SPY absolutely ripping. Looking for a continuation trade here on Bitcoin. If we do get the opportunity. Missed opportunity this morning, which is fine. I keep telling myself that, probably not feeling good about it, but that's something for me to journal about. Looking for follow through here. Possible long opportunity. I'm long like Donkey Kong. Let's go, baby. Stop loss to entry. See if we can push here. I like the NAS. Oh, stopped out break even. Okay. I was up $100. Stop loss, break even. Okay, no follow through here. Interesting. Quite choppy. And I'm going to be not upset. Okay. ETH continuing to rip. Solana continuing to rip. Bitcoin, no trade. Another break-even trade. Another $50 loss. On to the next one. Just wanted to see if it would pop there. Obviously, the NAS popped and the SPY popped. Still waiting for that pullback. Biddy stalling out here. Trapping longs at the top. Got to be aggressive with stop losses here. Let's see if we can get a pullback. It's definitely a short opportunity that I would normally take, but just with the sentiment right now. I mean, geez, look at everything's ripping. Bitcoin gonna go 786 rejection level here at 121,200. Bitcoin trying to push here. to go. Bitcoin trying to go here. It's going to be an interesting orb up in here. Enticing buyers. Yeah, here we go. Should have been a bit more lenient with that stop loss. Two minutes on this candle here, still waiting. Thank you everybody for being on the live. Why do you just trade BTC and not trade ETH or SOL now that they have momentum? Because I find Bitcoin respects my levels the best. As you can see, I've been trading Bitcoin for 3 years. And for me as a scalper, I need respect on those levels, and I've done all my backtesting on Bitcoin, right? So for me, there's no reason I can swing trade alts, no problem. There's no reason for me to not, but I'm not going to get scam wicked on a Solana trade or an Ethereum trade. Very simple. It's like people who just trade NASDAQ, people who just trade Tesla, whatever. I've been trading this asset for 3 years now. I'm not about to just go and unlearn everything that I've learned about Bitcoin. And I'm sure a lot of the concepts can be applied to another asset. And I do. We all take great trades, great swing trades. I know how to do good technical analysis on these swing trades and all these ideas. But at the end of the day, my bread and butter is Bitcoin. Right? ETH retest to highs, continuation. Bitcoin looking for continuation here as well. NASDAQ continuing to push. Bitcoin. SPY trying to push. No follow through here for Bitcoin. Bearish divergence. Ugly candle right now. Also a retest though. See how this next candle goes. Considering a long soon. Not yet. Here's a nice sweep. Golden pocket. Can we bounce? Golden pocket bounce. No trade yet. Nasty. Nasty dump. Nasty dump on ETH. Golden pocket bounce. It's got to bounce here, guys. Good no trade at the top. No trade yet. Bounce and continuation, or otherwise we're coming down. NASDAQ trying to go. SPY still continuing to push. ETH rugging. No trade on Bitcoin. 3 drives. Remember 3 drives. We said 3 drives. Caution, right? Bounce level here for Bitcoin potentially. No trade yet. Big dump for Bitcoin. 786. Coming down to VWAP. Quite the rug here. No trade yet. ETH coming down as well. Bitcoin rolling over. Considering a long here if we SFP the low. Still waiting. Nasdaq failing to continue. SPY stalling out a little. ETH sweeping the lows. Okay. Solana rugging everybody as well. Okay. Good patience here on that high. They trap traders. That's for damn sure. They definitely trap traders this morning. Rugging everybody. So I got to watch that euphoric kind of sentiment, right? Coming into market open. Nice dump here for Bitcoin. Looking for the SFP. SFP continuation or into VWAP. Either or. No trade. Still waiting. SFP. It's got to close back up within the range. Dumping. Bitcoin dumping, baby. Coming back, grabbing all that liquidity. If we can close back up in this range, I'm gonna get long. Just saying. If we can close back in here. Got to close. It's got to close, remember. Come on, Bitcoin, push. 30 seconds. I'm long. Let's go. I hammered it. I hammered the long here. Gotta go, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Oof. What is that? Come on, Bitcoin, push. Don't be a namby-pamby. Don't be a namby-pamby. Let's go. Push, Bitcoin. Push. Come on. SFP of the low. Looking for continuation. ETH bouncing. SPY continuing. Bounce on NASDAQ. Let's go, baby. Come on. Push, Bitcoin. Don't be a nambe. Oh, man. Let's see if it wants to go. Come on, Bitcoin. Push. You twatsicle. Wick test up here. Don't be a dick for a tick, Alex. Ooh, you gonna do that to me? Give me some money back. Give me my money back. Oh, it's running away. There we go. Quick $100. Stop loss entry, everybody. See if we continue to push here. GG's on your gains. See some GG's in the chat, baby. Who's doing it live with you guys every single day? Calling the SFP. hitting the hammer. AlexOCrypto. That is the G word, okay? That is quite woke. Let's go, baby. GG's in the chat. Calling the SFP before it happened. Everybody getting along, making money. Let's go, baby. Congratulations on your gains. This is why they come, man. That was a beautiful, guys. That was the beautiful, beautiful liquidity cluster trade, guys. If you are new here, we trade the liquidity clusters now. Big Daddy Otter, that's the one, man. GG's on the liquidity cluster, everybody. Make sure you guys are putting the liquidity cluster emoji, everybody. Can we get a liquidity cluster emoji going through the chat right now? Let's get the splooshy liquidity cluster emoji spamming in the chat, everybody. Let's see it. I want to see the liquidity clusters, guys. Let's go, baby. AlexOCrypto. Liquidity clusters in the chat. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Gang, gang, gang. The OG's crushing it as usual. As usual. Let's see if Bitcoin wants to continue to push your liquidity clusters. That's a lot of liquidity, guys. That's a lot of liquidity. That's a lot of liquidity. Let's see if Bitcoin wants to go to Valhalla. That'd be quite nice, man. Bitcoin could just send it right now. Thank you guys for being here, subscribing if you're new. 444 people on the live stream splashing up the chat with the Otter Gang liquidity clusters, baby. Let's go, baby. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're all having a great time. Let's send this thing to Valhalla. Baby, let's go, let's go, let's go. Send it, Bitcoin. Come on. Don't be a namby-pamby. Let's go. We're going to 121,300. 121,300. Woo-wee. Let's go. Let's front run that a little bit here. Oh, baby, baby, baby. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at the liquidity cluster for the win, baby. Let's go, baby. Gang, gang, gang. What a day, man. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Bitcoin to Valhalla. Leaving the runner, baby. Had to take this trade, too. Let's go, Sniper. My man. I guess I've learned something, eh? After all these years of being a total degen, I guess we've learned something, eh? Let's go, baby. Bitcoin to Valhalla. Look at that trade, man. Absolute perfection. Perfection. We love this. Love this. This is a make of the money, okay? We got the Jesus take the wheel. Inverse trade to the moon. We're going to all-time highs today. Today. Tell your brothers and sisters to buy Bitcoin because it's too late. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Taking the liquidity clusters. My God. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Good job, everybody. Gonna guarantee some coinage here. All right. Nice $350 trade this morning, everybody. Trailing stop loss now. Congratulations, everybody. Hopefully you're all enjoying the Valhalla pump to the moon. Leave a runner. 417 people here. Make sure you guys go and tell everybody who you caught the trade with, man. Who's here doing it live with you guys every morning? Just saying. Just saying. Set the trap twice. Good fun. Send it, send it, send it, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Look at this thing, man. Absolute piss missile. I might have to go golfing after this. We do have a Discord live today where we give you the setups, the lessons, the goodies, all in advance, the signals, the live streams. Look, Brewberry's live right now. We'll send you over there after this live stream. Okay? Constant barrage of traders helping traders, man. Incredible people, man. Incredible. Very grateful for everybody in here hanging out. God bless every single one of you guys. We took the trade live. We caught the SFP. We're in the money, baby. We're in the money. We'll see if we do continue to do all-time highs. We're trying to push. Can Bitcoin go? I think it's time. Today might be the day where Bitcoin goes to Valhalla. Incredible. What an entry, guys. Good job. Waiting for that candle close back in the range. SFP, continuation trade, right? Too good. Too good. Let me know in the chat. Are you guys long and strong getting the friction on? Did you catch the trade? Put a 1 in the chat. Mark your orb. I don't think I'm going to trade after this trade today. I think I'm pretty cozy. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. All-time high coming up. What's the next targets after all-time high? We got 125, 800, 131, 800. Okay? All-time highs are possibly going to be hit in the matter of, who knows, 123, 250. Bitcoin trying to go. Bitcoin trying to go. Nice push for Biddy here. Ethereum flagging out. Dominance still dropping. Solana still trying to go too. Everybody trying to have fun today. Catching the trade live with AlexOCrypto, man. I don't know. I don't think there's someone who's I got to get that giant spoon, guys. I got to get those giant spoons. Can we get some spoons in the chat too? I think we should get some spoons in the chat after that trade. I think we should get some spoons in the chat. Valhalla on the chart is $143,000, Paul Caruso. I think that was spoon-fed. I don't think there's much more spoon-feeding than that. I think we are spooning together, guys. We have just found the new trick to the trade, and it's called liquidity clusters, okay? A beautiful liquidity cluster this morning. Fucking hell, man. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. All right. All right. I swore 3 times. It's all about that liquidity cluster, guys. If you are new here and you haven't traded liquidity clusters, well, welcome. We're here every single day, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. Trading liquidity clusters. Kicking ass, taking names. I'm going to send you over to one of our traders in the Discord. He's the greatest man on earth. He's a wonderful guy. Send him some love. I've done my job this morning. You guys have been spoiled. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. God bless every single one of you. I appreciate you guys for being here, smacking up likes, sharing it out, telling everybody about the show and how we caught the SFP long this morning. Thank you guys so much for being here. Enjoy your gains. Enjoy your wins. Touch some grass. Touch some ass. Whatever you're into. I appreciate you guys. God bless, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game. Participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane. Ain't